Before we get started on this video, spoiler alert, this is what I'm going to look like at the end of it. If you want to see how we get this look, stay tuned. I do have a quick announcement. For those of you that wanted to get your hands on the Kennie/Wish Trend collaboration, I have a cute little announcement. A lot of people were like, Kendall, I get paid on Christmas. That's when I would get money. Like, why is it ending before Christmas? And I was like, yeah, that's true. That doesn't make sense. So, me and Wish Trend have decided to continue the collaboration until the end of this month. That would be December 31st Pacific Standard Time. So, if you wanted to get your hand on the collaboration, but you didn't think you could, now you can. I just want to thank you guys so much for your support thus far. It's been quite a surreal experience seeing you guys buying the box, enjoying the box, reviewing the box. It's all good. And I hope you guys continue to enjoy them. And let's get on to the actual video. 안녕. Hi everyone. 안녕하세요, 켄니입니다. 그리고 오늘 드디어 한국어로 말하고 있습니다. 오, 드디어. But today I'm going to do it a little different because I am lazy. Today we're doing it Konglish style. A little bit of English, a little bit of Korean, 섞어서. I'm so cool. Oh my god. And then like give birth to it. 첫 번째 한국어 영상에서는 I talked about how annoying it is, honestly, to put 자막 in the videos. So I figured let's just not do it for like half the video. So I'm only gonna be leaving subtitles for when I speak Korean. 혹시 한글 자막 필요하실 분들이 많이 있으면은 그냥 댓글에서 자막을 남겨주세요. 뭐 그런 댓글을 많이 받으면 I might do it. I don't know. There's not that many Korean people that watch my videos that would need subtitles. Or are they? I don't know. 모르겠음. 좀 아까 말한 것처럼 오늘 비디오는 뭔데? Get ready with me. 같이 준비 영상을 찍고 있는데 미리 skincare priming 다 되고 I'm gonna just start with makeup on my face. There you go. So if you saw my last video that I did a whole video kind of ripping apart Beauty Bakerie, sorry. So because of that, you know, spending all that money, I just wanted to return a lot of things. What is the word for return? 반납. But that's not the right word I'm looking for. Yo. I just saying it in English, but now I don't want to. 반송! Okay, there you go. I don't know if that's the right word, but whatever. 또 원래 방송하려고 했는데 방송 아니라 방송. See, that's the trouble with like when you learn a language. It's easier at first because it's like, oh, I only know 5 words, so it's cool. But like 공부할수록 there's more words that like sound similar. 마음에 안 드는 제품을 방송하다가 I ended up over at the Too Faced area. 여러분이 제키 아이는 다 아시죠? If you don't know her, 모르시면은 제키 아이는 아주 유명한 흑인 뷰티 그루인데요. Too Faced와 같이 콜라보레이션이 있었거든요. Born This Way 파운데이션 여러 가지 색상을 brought out, 개봉했어? I don't think that's the right word, but whatever. She came out with a bunch of foundations with Too Faced. More foundation colors. And so I was there and I was like, I'm gonna see if I can find one that matches me. The notoriously hard person to find foundations for. This is the color that came closest. I haven't worn it on camera, and on camera it looks a little orange. This is brulee. But to be honest with you, this is closer than the colors, any other color, so 이 바디를 진짜 좋아하고 저한테 딱 맞는 색상을 만들었으면 좋겠다. I don't really have a specific style that I'm going for today. 지난번에 원래 한드 아는데 메이크업을 하려고 했죠. 결국엔 한드 아는데 메이크업은 아니었고 메이크업을 하다가 this needs glitter. Christmas girl crush, holiday girl crush, festive girl crush. 그런 느낌으로 하고 있습니다. Yes. Actually, I don't mind how it's just a little bit orange. I've said this before, but you know, like my 피부 톤이 아주 neutral 톤이거든요. 핑크 톤 아니고 너무 옐로우 톤 아니고 그리고 좀 어두운 편이라서 well, actually no, I'm not. The makeup industry considers me dark, which I shouldn't be, which means that you are missing a whole other side of the spectrum. Like, but I don't feel like going there right now. 원래 뭐에 대한 얘기를 한 거예요? Oh, because I'm neutral tone, it's really hard to find a foundation that like matches me perfectly. 혹시 조금 더 옐로우 톤 하이라이트 컨실러를 사용하면 진짜 잘 밸런스 될 것 같아. 요즘에 잠을 안 자. 원래 그런 편인데. Those dark circles be 두세. 이거 진짜 재밌다. 원래 이렇게 말하거든요. So like all of the friends that I have that speak Korean also speak English. So because of that, we never speak completely in one language or the other. I think it comes out in videos like my vlog videos on my second channel more so. 혹시 그 영상을 보시면은 친구들이 우리 그냥 code switch 많이 하고, and that's like the most comfortable way for me to speak Korean. 그것 때문에 지난번에 아주 긴장됐어요. Cause I had to like 처음부터 끝까지 한국말로 해야 됐어요. 근데 졸업했으니까 한국말을 별로 안 써, 절대로. Like my channel uses a lot of Korean products, but I don't have very many Korean viewers except for recently. Hold on, let me talk about this one thing. But 있잖아 여러분, I have like videos that I call like black girl does Korean makeup or full face of Korean makeup. 세 번? I have like 2 or 3 of those. And it was weird because 뜬금없이 수많은 한국 분들이 started like commenting on one video in particular. It was a video that I made like 5 months ago. And at first it was like 완전 like 욕이었어. Like really like 너무한 comments들이었어요. I was like super surprised because like I don't get a whole lot of negative comments anywhere, let alone like in Korean. So I was like 헷갈렸어요, 솔직히. People were being condescending for me for seemingly no reason. So 제가 말한 것처럼 the video is called Black Girl Does a Full Face of Korean Makeup or something like that. 영어로 쓰이는 제목인데 for whatever reason, when a lot of Korean people were finding that video after months and months, when they saw the title, 그 한국 분들이 그 제목을 보시면은 흑인 여자가 한국식 메이크업 해보기 or something like that. In that video, it's not that I'm doing 한국식 makeup, it's that I'm using 한국에서 온 제품을 사용하는 거예요. I was confused because I got this deluge of just what the 한국식이라니? 무슨 소리야? You look like a drag queen. You're like people going off and I'm just like hold up. And then people were like getting straight up like cursing at me, calling me all types of stuff. 제목 고쳐줘라. And I was like, hold up, you do not come to my channel and tell me how to speak English. Me being who I am, when I get angry, I get a little bit condescending. All I went to the comments and I was like, 이 영상은 한국식 메이크업 아니라 한국에서 온 제품을 사용해서 메이크업을 하는 거죠. 재밌게 보세요. And I went on my merry way. And I like tweeted about it a little bit because I thought it was weird and funny and irritating all at the same time. 구독자 한 명은 저한테 연락해주고, why are Korean people like trying to tell you off about how to speak English basically? And I was like, I don't know. I don't get it. Like, and I'm not gonna like argue with it because it's like I got better things to worry about, you know what I mean? 곰곰이 생각해보니까, is it because of the YouTube? Because I noticed that YouTube will use like a automatic translator. 그래서 그 순간에 자동으로 번역된 제목인가 생각나서 그것 때문인가? But I don't think that's reason enough to go cussing at somebody because people were going hard on me and I'm being, you know, who I am. Like, you got me messed up. Because part of me was like, everyone's like, change it. And I'm like, to what? But I did leave one thing. I was like, yo, do you perhaps use an automatic translator? This title is not written in Hangul, just to let you know. Okay. And just left. That was like a month ago. 그때부터 아직도 아주 너무한 댓글을 계속 받는 거예요. But since then I've had like really cool people go on there like, why are y'all mad? Like it's not that big of a deal. 영상을 보시면은 한국 제품 사용해서 메이크업을 하는구나. But yeah, I just got like a deluge of those comments now. Like, chill out. Why are y'all mad? Like the chill wave. The chill wave is dope. But that just goes to show 인간들이 다 어디든 좋은 사람도 있고 나쁜 사람도 있고. Okay, so I remember saying how I thought that all of these like brow thingies are the same. 아니더라고요. 이거는 KBeauty에서 온 brow blowouts 4번 deep brown. 근데 이거를 진짜 좋아하는 이유는 그 브러쉬의 모양이 때문인가? 삼각 매용이 that is not the word. 삼각 I just said it. I just said the word and I forgot it already. 모양이니까. And if you look up here, there's like a nice little point. So 이걸로 아주 곰곰이 아이브로우를 채울 수 있고, and if I wanted to draw like a very specific shape, I can also do that. So I noticed that my other ones don't have, they're either too big, like too long or something like that, or it's just like not pointed enough at the end for me to get like a defined eyebrow. And I don't have to do anything else now. 가까이 이리 와봐 so we can do these eye makeups, yes. So I did like my best in beauty 2018년에 재고인 제품. 그 영상에서는 이 팔레트를 소개해드렸습니다. This is the Halaka Glossy Play Shadow Palette. 솔직히 딱 보니까 아주 심심해 보이죠? It's just nothing but transitions. 카메라 앞에서 처음 쓰는 거지? I think so. I think this is my first time using this on camera. Which is stupid considering I use it so often. Beauty Bakerie의 플라워 파우터 옐로우로 눈 아래서 세팅을 좀 해주고 베이킹을 하지 말고. I don't really like baking, I noticed. And I had a lot of people with dry skin say like, yeah, I don't like baking either. Your lips. 달. Your ass. 달. 아, 이상해. 별 생각이 없어. 별 말도 없고. 지난번에 해야 할 말이 너무 많이 있으니까 I could like easily just talk. 근데 이번엔 막 빈머리. Oh, well, we can talk about this. What is it? 새해 결심? I can't think of the English word. That's the thing when you switch between the two. Like, 혹시 새해 결심이 있습니까, 여러분? 새해 되니까 결심을 세우는 것 좀 싫어. 솔직히 좀 싫어하거든요. I'm more of a like 생각난 대로 바꿔. Or at least try to change at least person. But 언제였지? 어제 친구랑 얘기하다가 Hi Tammy. Like, we were talking about how neither of us have a whole lot of discipline. Is discipline the right word? What is discipline in Korean? 절제력? Is that the word? Yeah. Okay, so I did know the word. But we ain't got none of that. 절제욕은 이 삶의 기본 아닌가요? Like, 이 삶을 성공적으로 살고 싶으면 절제욕이 필요하죠. If you don't have discipline, your life is kind of just like subpar. It's not everything that it could be. All the like dreams you want to achieve, all the 산 you want to climb, you can't do it if you don't have any self-discipline. And that's a realization that both of us had. 태미의 문제 or like 이유는 딱 뭔지 잘 모르겠는데 저에게는 저의 가장 큰 문제는 I'm a perfectionist. Perfectionists are never very good at things. 인간이라서 우리 완벽하지 않죠. 이런 완벽함이란 거를 이루고 싶으면 like if you want to achieve this kind of vague thing, 아주 애매한 concept of perfection, it's like 불가능하죠. 워낙 인간들이 다 flawed creatures 아닌가요? Wow, now I remember why my Korean is so shot, because I never speak fully in Korean. Fun time. But the problem with being a perfectionist, that means you're like afraid to do something. For me, I'm not afraid to try new things. 새로운 거를 사용해보고 like 잘 못하면 good. Like, I don't try more because I have no idea how to say this in Korean, so I'm not even gonna try. I feed off of capability. And if I feel incapable, I just stop. I just don't do it. I'm like, okay, well. 솔직히 말하면 the reason why I speak Korean at all is because I was halfway decent like 처음부터. 그래서 계속 하다 보니까 okay. And I kind of reached like that 소위 벽. 보통 때는 아주 중요한 것은 연습이 필요하잖아요. Like 조금씩, like I don't know how to 조금씩 anything. I've never, that's not a thing that I'm very familiar with. I'm an all or nothing type person. Because of that, a lot of things that I've really wanted to do, I just don't do them because I wasn't good the first time I tried it, which is stupid. It's been something that I want to tackle. Setting resolutions and keeping them. 그것도 잘 못하니까. Like 결심 같은 거를 절대로 세우지 않아요. And I want to fix that. I'm starting to fix that now. I'm giving myself little goals for every day, like little things. Like I would like to wake up before noon, which I did today, and hopefully I'll do tomorrow. Oh no, 완전 망했어. 나 왼손잡이 아니라서 이렇게 바르면은 좀. Okay, well, let's mess both sides up. Whatever it is, we make it a look. 뭐든지 make it a look. Blend, 후에 a look. A look. 다른 뷰티 유튜버를 보시면은 they use like powder. Like if they have fallout이 있으면은 정리를 잘 할 수 있게 뭐 파우더를 사용하거든요. But like that usually doesn't work for me. 너무 게을려서 인초 속눈썹을 붙이지 않고 라이너도 안 할 겁니다. 그냥 바로 마스카라를 바를 겁니다. This is the It Cosmetics one. 보세요. 와, 장난 아니네. Crazy, sexy, cool. 지난 영상을 보셨죠, 여러분? 뷰티 베이커리 리뷰. 플라워 파드를 좋아하는 거 아주 다행이죠. Considering I didn't like everything else. It was funny though, because I was like reading the 댓글 of that video. Beauty Bakerie has like 수반된 oil. That was a weird sentence. Like they have an oil that accompanies the foundation. 그래서 어떤 사람들이 like 파운데이션 바르기 전에 꼭 오일 사용해야 된대. Which to me did not make me want to try the foundation again. That made me like completely over the idea. 왜냐, if you need a very specific oil to use the foundation, 왜 같이 판매된 제품들이 아닌가요? If it's so imperative to use them together, foundation과 같이 like sample size or something, you know, 같이 포함된 travel size oil이 같이 있었으면 if you need it that bad, you know, 따로 판매된 제품들이니까 like who's gonna buy both of those? I mean, I know a lot of people that do, but I remember the oil wasn't particularly cheap, so I'm like, what? 하이라이트 한우 눈화장 완성. 쉐이딩을 조금 해볼게요. 이거는 elf what is this? contour palette. 이 세 가지 섞어서 아주 넓게 쉐이딩을 해줍니다. 틴트를 좀 사용해 볼게요. 이거는 카자의 Cushy Vibe. Wow, that was weird. Cushy Vibe lip stain in 2번 Velvet. 그냥 전체적으로 채우는 거예요. I could just like 여기까지, but I'm not going to. Let's see. 이 새로운 후다 뷰티의 립스틱인데요. 이거는 NYE New Year's Eve Metallic Lipstick인데 어디 아주 가까이 보시면은 발감도 있고 글리터 들어있는 건가? It might be inside it too, so we'll see. 블러셔 사용할까 말까 고민 중. 클러시엘의 클라우드 페인트 스톰. 자, 마지막으로 스포의 글로우 픽스 믹스 사용해서 메이크업이 완성입니다. 자, 여기까지입니다, 여러분. Said I was gonna go do my hair. I literally just did nothing to it. 가발 gang. 좋아요 버튼을 누르시고 be sure to follow me on all my social media, Instagram and Twitter, both of which are KennieJD, and I'll see you guys next time. 다음에 봐요. 안녕.